Hey, today I'm going to be sharing 3 leadership tips from Grant Cardone. And to me, these are actually really more principles for leadership than just tips. So I hope you really get a lot out of these. I know I've learned a lot from Grant Cardone over the years. And as always, for sales training, for motivational content, and to level up your leadership, make sure you click the subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss anything. Now I'm going to dive right into these today, and as always, if you have additional tips or characteristics or principles that you find valuable in leadership, please share those in the comments down below and let's continue the conversation. So tip number 1 is you have to show up.
First, you got to show up. Good morning, good morning. You got to show up, man. Come on, nothing happens unless you show up, okay? Hey, show up.
Now, I absolutely agree with Grant here. Once you've shown up, you have a chance, you have an opportunity. Plus, if you're leading other people by example, they're watching you. And if you're not showing up full force, then neither are they. And so you've got to understand, you've got to be fully invested. You got to show up early, you have to show up prepared to work and ready to seize the day. The second principle I'm talking about today is working hard.
So look, you want to get your work ethic so high that people actually admire you. I'm going to ask you a question right now. Do people know you because of your unbelievable work ethic? If you can't answer yes to that, man, you're not going to get in that top 10%. People need to know you for one major thing first. He works.
That's right, you can't be lazy. Leaders aren't lazy. Leaders display a good work ethic all of the time because people are watching you all of the time. If you have followers, you have employees, they're paying attention not just to what you say, but to what you do. And so the way you govern yourself at work, the amount of work that you put in, the way that you're approaching each task, and if you're going after it full force, if you want your people to do that, then you have to be the example. You have to go way above and beyond when it comes to work and work ethic. And the third principle today is no negativity allowed.
I want to talk to you about no negativity. Okay, look, it is killing me. It's killing you. It's killing your family, and it's killing the economy. I don't care what side of politics you're on. The negativity is just negative. And there's no money in it. There's no future in being negative. Where's the solution?
That's right. Being positive is an attractive quality in a leader. So no negativity. Don't allow it to infect you. And there's enough negativity in the world to go around. So don't allow that in your head. When you're taking the time to be positive and you're deliberate and having a high energy and putting a smile on your face, that's an attractive quality for people to follow. So make sure that you're deliberate in promoting that no negativity allowed here mentality. Thank you to Grant Cardone, because without you and your business knowledge, this video wouldn't have been possible. For a lot more leadership knowledge, leadership behaviors, and your continued learning, make sure you click right up here. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in and join me today, and I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. We'll talk to you soon, everybody.